We have more than 20 years experience in the battery business. We are developing batteries and of course distributing batteries. We are active in more than 80 countries today. And we serve our selective network through our warehouses in Europe, one in Belgium, one in France, and of course for the US market we have our Florida warehouse. Our close contact to the OEM business allows us to develop new products, to be always ahead of our competitors. And once we develop together with them new technologies, new products, we can also distribute them with our aftermarket network.
So welcome to Interclean. We are glad to propose you power solution for cleaning equipment. We propose different type of technology from lead acid to lithium batteries. Lead acid, traditional batteries, from fluided batteries with flat plane to tubular plane. We propose to AGM carbon range with more cycle, more than 1,200 cycles.
We are introducing our new lithium range, which is composed by batteries 24, 36 and 48 volts. Even though we can create your own pack for every kind of need. This technology is coming to the cleaning machine market because of the lightweight, 50% lighter than the lead acid. Even it's also easier to charge because it takes 1/5 time to recharge the batteries, and it's heavy duty. For heavy duty use, it's very resistant, reliable, and here in FULBAT we have a full range to cover every kind of needs.